So here's my diagram. First is the cell body, which is right here. The cell body is also called the soma, and it contains the nucleus. The cell body's job is to control all functions of the cell, and it contains multiple important organelles to do this. Next is the dendrites, which are these going all around here. And dendrites are connected to the cell body, and they receive messages from other cells. In order for neurons to become active, they have to receive action potentials or other stimuli, and dendrites are the structures on the neuron that receive the electrical messages. They conduct electrical messages to the neuron cell body for the cell to function. Next is the axon, which is right here, this part here. And the axon passes messages away from the cell body to other neurons, muscles, or glands. The axon's main function is to send signals. Next is the myelin sheath, and it's these going along the axon here. And the myelin sheath is a fatty substance that covers the axon of some neurons, and it helps speed neural impulses. So neurons send signals using electricity, so the myelin helps to keep the signal moving quickly over long distances. It's kind of like the coating on electrical wires. It prevents the electric current from diffusing out of the wires, and it helps to move the current faster. In order for the signal to spread through the neuron, there has to be breaks in the myelin coating, and these breaks are called nodes of Ranvier, and that's the space between. Nodes of Ranvier are the gap between each myelin sheath that are like gates. They allow the exchange of ions for speedy electrical transmission. There needs to be these breaks in the myelin to conduct electricity. And last is the synaptic cleft, and that's a tiny opening between neurons. The neurons don't actually touch. The synaptic cleft is just mainly used to transport neurotransmitters from one neuron to another. And at the end here, I kind of drew another neuron, and these are dendrites from another neuron, so you can see that that's where the synaptic cleft is right in between there. And here's my diagram again.